Okay students, welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you about this chapter number 6, modal verbs. Let's start with warm up. Look at the pictures and read out loud what the fox is saying about the grapes on the vine. So please look at the picture. The grapes look delicious. They may be ripe. I can get some if I leap up high. I shall try to reach them. I will try and try till I succeed. As you can see, there are some modals used here like may, can, shall, will. So you have to read about the modals verbs in this chapter. So you can ask me why we use may. They may be ripe. Means we can use here will, can, shall, but why we use here may? So these are the indications that you should know why we use a particular modal verbs in a sentence. Fine. So if you want to find a Hindi translation, I can do it. Means the grapes look delicious. Fox is saying ये ग्रेप्स जो है वो अच्छे दिखाई दे रहे हैं, मतलब मीठे. दे मे बी राइप. राइप होता है पका होना, वो पके हुए हैं मतलब कच्चे नहीं है. आई कैन गेट सम इफ़ आई लीप अप हाई. मीन्स अगर मैं कुछ जंप कर लूँ ना, ऊंचाई तक जंप कर पाऊँगी तो मैं कुछ उसमें से ले सकती हूँ. आई शैल ट्राई टू रीच देम. मुझे वहाँ तक पहुँचने की ट्राई करनी होगी, करूँगी. मीन्स मैं करूँगी ऐसा. आई विल ट्राई एंड ट्राई टिल आई सक्सीड. और मैं तब तक करती रहूँगी ट्राई जब तक मैं सफल नहीं हो जाती. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव डिड यू नोटिस द वर्ड्स इन बोल्ड. दीज वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड मॉडल वर्ब्स. लेट अस लर्न अबाउट सम मॉडल वर्ब्स एंड देयर यूजेस. सो दीज आर द मॉडल वर्ब्स मे, शैल, कैन, विल. फाइन. नेक्स्ट वी हैव कैन, मे, शैल, will. So there are some rules why we use a particular modal verbs in a sentence. So let's find it. Modal verbs, also called modals, and are helping verbs that are mostly used with other verbs to express ability, willingness, possibility, permission, or intention. So ability means quality. Willingness means wants, what you want. Possibility means chances. And permission means permission. It's very easy. Intention means want to do something. What is your intention? If you want to do modal verbs, then you should have practice it. So what your intention? They reflect the mood and attitude of the speaker. Means modals always reflect the mood and attitude of the speaker. Means what the speaker is thinking about and what he or she feel inside. Okay, let us look at how modals are used. Modals never change their form with the number or person of the subject. It means if you are using a particular modal in relation to singular noun na, then it wouldn't be changed with plural noun. Means both singular and plural you have to use the same modal. It doesn't mean you are using he and she. If you are using may with he and she, that you can't use it with I, we, you, they. You can use it. Okay, but you have to follow some rules. Why you using here may instead of can, will, shall? Okay, so let's start. Number 1, the modals never change their form with the number. Fine. It is, for example, a boy can run fast. So here can is modal verb, third person singular. Who is third person singular? Tell me. Here boy is third person singular. Means third person means name of the person, name of the thing, name of the place. That is the third person singular. Singular means boy है. अगर boys होता तो वो plural हो जाता. Fine. So first of all you have to complete your verb of forms. Means what is first person, second person, third person. Fine. Next we have the boys can run fast. Third person plural subject means boys is plural and third person. Of course, third person. The name of the person is third person. You can run fast. You is second person. Okay, and it is singular because we always said you in relation to a single person, and we want to if we want to said plural in relation to you, then we have to just use all of us, all of you means or you both are, or if we are using for two person you know, there is some indication while we can use it in plural sense. That means are, you are very smart means कुछ ना कुछ तो दिया होगा वहाँ. Fine. So let's have a look what is first person, second person and third person. First person, I, we, you, they. I, we is first person but only singular. They is plural. Both three are first person. I, we, they. I, we, they is first person but I, we is singular and they is plural. Then we have second person you and plural also you. Means both we can use singular and plural, both we use you. Third person he, she, it. He, she, it is singular and two or more is plural, means two boys, two girls, it is plural. So you have to just make sure that this table should learn before doing this modal verbs. Okay, next we have the past tense form of modals may not always refer to past time. So the past tense form of modals may not always refer to past time means it depends on the sentence. You can't say that past tense is always used with past time. You can't say. Means you can't say could should be used when it is past tense. No. So I will make second video for this because this is too important and tough also. So stay tuned. Bye bye.